Yo, y'all ready? Hey, yo, Zay, what up? I had to do it, bro.
That time I got that heat, let's go.
Hey, we up at Toyotas in them Lexus, ooh wee. We up in them Chevys in them Dodgers, ooh wee. We up at Toyotas in them Lexus, ooh wee. We up in them Chevys in them Dodgers, ooh wee. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day.
What it do, YouTube? This your boy Zay TRD bring y'all a whole nother video, man. Say, man, y'all smash that like button, cause Mr. Ooh is in the building, man. Hey, I got the Roll Tide shirt on, man. Roll Tide, roll. We just lost to Tennessee, man. I'm so mad, but I ain't gonna show it, man. But anyway, man, that was a great game, man. They had this Tennessee receiver. He had 5 catches, over 200 yards, for over 5 it was right at 5 touchdowns. Crazy. Bryce Young threw for over 400 yards, man. Crazy game, man. It was lit. You know, I'm disappointed we got the loss. The turnovers, the penalties on offense, defense killed us. But, you know, it's all good, man. It's all good, man. Y'all see my dog back there with me, man. Boom, you know what I'm saying? But it was a crazy game, man. When I say I was like, woo! Let's get it, man. You know, like whenever we got that pick, you know what I'm saying? And that scoop and score, I thought we had the game in the bag, but you know Tennessee didn't give up. Alabama didn't give up. It was just a great game, man. But anyway, man, enough about sports, man, and going to back to the money, you know, car meet, you know what I'm saying? So I'm taking it straight off. I can't want to hear nobody else talking about the Alabama stuff, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to hear none of that stuff, man. My team done lost, man. So I'm pull up my Eagles jersey, so when I drop my dog off, you know, put some jeans on, I ain't wearing no shorts, you know, it might get cold, I don't know. But, you know, I'm gonna put the Fly Eagles Fly jersey on, man, you know what I'm saying, represent for the city. Well, for Philly, you know what I'm saying. I'm not from Philly, but I've been an Eagles fan since 2000, man. You know, in the era of Brian Dawkins, you know what I'm saying, Weapon X, you got Brent Selleck, Brian Westbrook, you know what I'm saying, Asante Samuel, you know what I'm saying, they had T.O. Sheldon Brown, you know what I'm saying, and the legendary quarterback, Donovan, the OG McNabb, man. You can't never forget Donovan McNabb, man, number 5, man, you can't. Anyway, I'm activated, you know what I'm saying, as y'all can see, I'm passionate about the sports, man. I love football, man, but, man, crazy. Anyway, next clip is gonna be me at the car show, man. I lied. I'm probably gonna pick up this vlog when I change my jersey, man. I'm gonna talk some more, man. I'm gonna talk some more stuff, man. But anyway, catch y'all a little bit. So yeah, man. Got the whole Weapon X, Brian Dawkins, man. Y'all see the Eagles fit on, man. You know what I'm saying? Fly, Eagles, fly. Anyway, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the meet.
What else go on in your life?
Hey, we beating her. Hey, what's your channel, bro? What's your channel, man?
I ain't got a channel.
Oh, you got a channel? Hey, got that big old ring light and everything. That mug, right?
I'm just learning how to do this.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you, man. That mug clean, though. Yes, sir. But y'all see the cars, man. Got more Paul Marcus, man. Got the Camaro, another Camaro. Got a TRX. It's dark, but you see the Jeep. Got me right there. I got the Durango, man. Y'all see him.
And he got the darkest jersey on. So.
Yeah, legendary. Hey, you got the legend on, man.
The Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man?
Hey, who lives on Drury Lane?
I'm doing that. You right? Knocking motherfuckers out.
Not the gun drum buttons.
Well, see, I'm gonna take his soul.
Right? Yeah, y'all see this, man. Y'all see it, man.
In the NFC, look. In the NFC, what's that? The NFC
East.
Last time I checked, the last time Dallas was relevant, Clinton was in office. Think about that. You heard we said, well, for a market, 392, baby. You!
Hey, y'all see him, man. We're going in and show y'all. They got the food truck pulled up. Got the food truck then pulled up,
We got
man.
barbecue.
Got barbecue.
We got barbecue over there.
Barbecue.
Everything. We got daiquiris in the inside.
I smell the barbecue. I'm gonna get a daiquiri though.
Hey.
I just had barbecue at my brother's house.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
You go get a daiquiri. That thing nice, man.
Oh yeah, for sure. She got the Grand Cherokee, man. What's going on,
What's
bro?
up, Brody? How you feeling, man?
Doing good, man.
I
Hey.
seen you sliding in this, man. I seen they done bamboozled you with the light too, huh?
Yeah.
They done ran up on me with the light as soon as I got out the goddamn car, bro.
Look, I didn't know how to get in. I see the car, but I'm like, I don't see no drive.
Yeah. Oh God. Hey, then that road. Which way you came in from? This way or that
I
way?
came coming from this way, from the track.
You hit that shit over there.
Yeah.
Goddamn.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Damn near bottom out.
Hey,
The
John
stock
Productions,
hot,
man. Y'all see me in the flesh
Hey,
with
man.
the
If you
legendary
haven't
shirt
already,
on,
chilling,
man.
You
You
know,
know
shout out Kobe. You know it.
Kobe Bryant.
You know what I'm
man.
saying? Y'all already know.
Player, man.
You
I
feel
like
me?
that.
Got the 24 and the 8.
And the
Don't get
8.
twisted. You know, we
Yes,
chilling.
sir.
We
Yes,
chilling,
sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the game. Turn on the post notifications right now.
Yes,
Give
sir.
this
Y'all do
a
that.
big thumbs up, no cap, man. For sure.
For sure.
Subscribe to my boy. Get my boy Zay up there. For real.
Oh, yeah, we out there grinding
Trying to
together,
get that boy Zay
man.
in that mirror.
I've been MIA, but it's all good.
Oh God, you really have been absent. You know what I'm saying? Been absent. My boy went on a strong, solid run, and then said, "All right, I'm gonna fuck with y'all. I need a little hiatus. I'm kicking my feet up. You know what I'm saying? Been sipping on the beers and whatnot. I be seeing your ass at the goddamn bars and shit. I'm like, this motherfucker ain't gonna drop a video, but gonna go to the goddamn bar and post the whole shit on live, goddamn."
Hey, call me out. It's all good.
Yeah,
That's real, though. That's real love,
Hey,
man.
nah, for sure.
For
I be
sure.
fucking with you, bro.
Oh,
I
yeah,
always
for
fuck
sure.
with the movie,
For sure, man,
Real
for
shit.
sure.
We gotta link up though.
Oh, yeah,
We
for
gotta
sure.
get that
We
track.
still gotta do that.
I want to get you in the ride along so I can solidify this Camaro.
The bottle?
Yeah, I want to get you in the ride along Invader so
All right.
we can solidify you
We
getting the
can-
Camaro.
Look, we
what I'm saying? You
can
can't
do
be
that
teasing me
tonight
like
if you
that.
want to.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
ain't got
You
nothing else
can't
to
be
do.
teasing us with the goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm going to go test drive this joint, type put my toes in the water, and then take them right back out. No, fuck no. You need to go ahead and get you a Camaro. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to
Hey.
hang up the TRD, fam. You can keep
Yeah.
that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Add the Camaro to the side.
Yeah, for
That's
sure.
all, that's all I need.
How about that Meryl Stain?
Okay, well, you don't know.
We get into your
If you don't know
what's going on, gang? Gang, I'm with my boy J.I. Gang.
Gang, man.
Hey, look. You see? Look, okay, now go watch Donnell's Back to the Money video.
Back to the money.
Go
Y'all go
watch
subscribe.
Back to the Money's video real quick, right? He was talking me hot as shit when I pulled up.
Why?
About how he want to race me and all this.
Oh, for real?
Shit. Now in your video, it's all buddy friend shit.
Uh-oh.
Mopar shit.
You want to race him? You ain't gonna race?
What happened?
You ain't gonna race him on the track?
Did that nigga say I
He
was
talking
scared to
about
race
some-
him?
He talking about something. I was
That man been ducking me for a year.
How?
A whole goddamn year.
I done went through
All them Chevys.
I done went through
All them goddamn Chevys. Ducking me a whole year.
A
A whole year.
Hey, come here.
A whole
Come here,
god.
let me show you
No,
something.
Zay. Zay. Fuck that. Zay don't behave. No.
Let me show you something. Let me show you something. You ain't never seen before.
Let's go see
Let me
this.
show you something.
Let's go see this, man. Y'all see the whips?
So from back here, right?
Yeah.
I ain't never seen nothing like this before.
You ain't
I
never
don't
seen nothing like
see
that?
these cars from this
You
aspect.
ain't seen nothing like that
You know what I'm
before?
saying? This right here,
Yeah.
this is what I be seeing. You
That's
feel
all
me?
you see is the,
On God,
light.
through my little mirror
The pretty
on
lights.
the side.
You see the pretty
You know
lights?
what I'm saying? Through my little mirror on the side, this is what I see right here. See, this is how I know a Dodge Charger. The
Yeah.
other end, I ain't never seen before.
Yeah, facts.
It's really
You know,
embarrassing.
he be talking
Facts,
a lot
facts,
of mess.
facts.
You know what I'm saying? But he be reading that plate. That's all that matters. Hey, what my plate say? Hey, what my plate say?
I don't know. I
Hey,
can't read.
hey, go study. Go study, because that's all you gonna see when we line up.
Which one is one
Go
on
study.
That's
You
fine.
said what? The
That's
one
fine.
the
Hey, y'all
one
see
with
we
the
lit,
one on the
man.
back.
We lit.
That's fine. I know what
We
it
lit.
said. You told me what it
You
said.
say I've been ducking.
You been ducking me.
I can't wait.
You
We
me
lit.
too.
I can't wait.
But it's all love at the
You wanna do it
end.
tonight?
If we can do it tonight.
Because the last meet we was
Yeah,
at,
I don't
you
need
literally
this.
left.
I don't need a
You
track.
literally left.
I don't need a
The
track.
last meet we was at, you
I
literally
don't need a
left.
track. My guy needs a
I
track.
said,
don't
let's
need a
line it
track.
up. We was at the Slim Thug
Nigga,
meet.
we went down. We took
I got out the car. Hold on. I don't want you to
Oh,
die.
man.
Precious merchandise.
Hold on.
Precious merchandise.
Yeah,
Look, we was at the
definitely.
Slim Thug meet, okay? I'm going to tell y'all what happened.
Hello?
I get out the car, same energy.
What up?
He coming up at me, yapping. He want to race this, he want to race that. I say, all right, bet, let's go ahead and line it up.
We got
Let's
cars
do it.
pulling in now.
He say, oh man, I gotta go. I can't do it. I got a family in the car. I'm gonna be back. Bro ain't never popped back up.
Oh,
But I've been ducking.
dang.
He left the whole location, Future Drake type shit, no cosign. What you
happened?
mean, changing locations? But I've been ducking.
Who changing
When we was
locations?
at the Slim Thug meet, what happened? I got out the car, you was talking all that hoorah. I said, let's go ahead and line it up. You
And
said,
I was
no,
with them for the
I
rest
got
of the day.
I got the family with me.
I seen the
Then
Tesla
you
pulling
dipped
up.
out.
Y'all see, this is what getting the Houston cars.
Let me put my can up.
Look, that's that Mopar stuff right there.
Look,
That's
by
that
the car,
Mopar
too,
stuff
by the
right
car.
there.
Hey,
That's that Mopar
I tell
stuff.
you what.
Good old Tesla Model 3. You know
That's
what I'm
that
saying?
Mopar
I tell you what. I
Out
tell you
here
what.
throwing cans on the floor,
I tell you
littering,
what. I tell you
littering
what.
on this precious earth.
First of
Next to
all,
his car, too.
shout out.
Whoa.
Hey, well, hold on.
No,
Wait.
No,
I can't do that?
You gotta edit that out.
Oh, I can't. I'm supposed to tell nobody.
No.
That's going
If
up.
I said anything on anything.
Look, I'm just glad I ain't live
I
right
didn't
now.
know. I'm glad you
I'm
didn't.
glad I
My
just
bad.
recorded
I
now.
thought we was.
You gotta edit that out.
I'm editing that out for
Please
sure.
edit it out,
For sure.
Zay. All right,
So,
cool.
I got
Now,
you. I
but
got you.
yeah,
I got you.
got one on the
I
way.
thought we was still.
Nobody
I was shocked. I was like, what?
God damn, my bad.
You seen his
Edit
face?
it out.
You seen his face?
Look,
Big,
look.
Where's Waldo? Goddamn, eyes was big as shit.
Either way, it's the best game to be a part of.
Goddamn,
Either
look,
way.
shit, yo.
Look,
Either
when
way.
you said that, I was like, oh man, I'm editing that out.
edit that
You
out.
didn't say nothing. I'm going to edit it out anyway. I was
We
like,
gonna
oh,
set something
snap.
up.
Okay, so back to what we was talking about. Okay,
Set something up.
Slim Thug me. You know what I'm saying? He ain't want to run it.
Yeah.
He ain't want to run
He
it.
ain't
but
wanna
I'm
run it.
thinking, all these Mopars just been trying to call me out left and right. I don't know. Maybe it's because what I be doing to their friends.
I don't have friends.
They be seeing the videos.
I got
my
a
bad,
brother.
your brothers.
I got a brother.
Your brothers.
No,
yeah, you're right.
no, I got
your
a brother.
brothers. Your Mopar
And he
brothers.
drive- he
It's
drives
a
the
Mopar
fucking
family.
Chevy.
It's a
Yeah.
Mopar family. Yeah. I'll line you up one by
I
one.
ride by
Hey.
myself.
Who y'all got in the
I'm the
comments,
lone
man?
wolf.
392 stat on a, you know what he got over there.
The
Y'all know
RS.
what he got over
The
there.
RS Chevy.
Oh, you think
Hey,
it's
bro,
RS,
you
man?
so outdated.
Look.
That's goddamn 2000.
One LE.
My boy got an RS.
My boy got the one LE, man. The one
2017.
LE, man. Who y'all got, man? Who y'all got?
Go with the LE, man.
Yeah,
Pick the LE.
No,
Hey,
you
man.
ain't gotta do all that.
That's a track
Big
monster
LE.
right there.
You ain't gotta do all
That
that.
man
I
running
ain't worried about
nines.
the track.
He say you don't need no track.
I don't need no track.
He say you don't need no track.
Oh, hey! There it is. Oh, shit.
You don't need no track.
But yeah, man. Let me, but yeah, man, y'all see the whips though, man. I got a few VIPs over here. They got the Misfit Mafia crew. I like that rap on there. A little partial rap. I might give me something. You know what I'm saying? Now this Chevy Silverado nasty, y'all. So the red with the black rims, man. That thing clean. That's my boy Back to the Money, man. The boy Green Dot, man. Y'all go tap in and subscribe to my boy, man. Y'all go tap in and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? This is car meet, you know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and do that, man. Go get a little thumbnail. Good thing, man.
Killers come in abundance.
Shout out to my boy Mopar Marcus, Ken Mopar. Got my boy Zay TRD, Rod. Got my cousin 81 Colors in the building. Shout out to ModFx that came. Blue Drip 392.
Right away. Right here.
Oh, Randall, what's going on?
Yeah, hey, it's big. Hey, it's big when ModFx come to your bitch, you know what I'm saying? It's big when you come to Randall.
Randall's on scene, bro.
My nigga was eating.
Zay TRD
What's
TV
going
live,
on,
you know what
man?
it is. Zay in the Hellcat 23.3, I'm gonna keep on saying.
Yes, sir.
Y'all
Yes,
here
sir.
at the, my man Back to the Money had to meet. We out here, you know, Bel Air. Get some good food, good daiquiris.
Y'all see the daiquiri gone. Mine gone, man. Them are empty.
That's what it is. So, yep.
Yes, sir. Nice seeing you, bro, for sure.
Support Derek. I'm gonna figure it out later, but support Derek then. Shit.
Hey, I'll see you back to the money, man.
Fuck the white man, cause my boy Ken out here, okay? Ken,
Ah.
come on up, Ken. Come on, Ken. This is my guy, Ken. This is the blackest white guy I know from Cali, from the West Coast. Okay?
What's that, the blackest white guy?
Come on, baby, sign on.
Sign us off, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Give us the original.
Give us the original.
Yes, sir.
your boy Back to the Money. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we got this beans.
All right, man, it's a whole new video, man. We had Back to the Money comments, you know what I'm saying? But,
Yes, sir.
Y'all see us right here, man. So we interviewing Back to the Money. I should check out some Dutch, man. I got some
All right. 1, 2, 3, we live, brother.
Hey, y'all see
Y'all see it, man. Keep going. Keep going.
Hey, see.
All right, so check this out.
All right.
In case y'all don't know, Mr. Back to the Money is hosting his first car meet. First. So we're all a part of him losing his virginity.
No.
I'm just letting y'all know that's just what it is. I don't make the rules, I'm following them.
Got my cherry
So, got his cherry pop.
Pineapples. I don't want to do. Pineapples! I want to go home.
Y'all retarded.
Great people. Right now we have Z. We have Z. Zay.
Keep that.
Ask some other shit.
I'm not editing nothing out. I'm not editing nothing out.
First question, how stressed were you this morning? Because it starts with the stress.
I was stressed this morning. I ain't even gonna lie, this morning, it was like I gotta get my car washed. That was the first thing. That was the first thing, getting my car washed. Not only that, it was just like, and then after that, I had to pick up merch. I hope that was ready. Then I had to go get food and all that. And then, you know, I just sit there and contemplate, just like, damn.
I hope somebody show up.
Right.
I hope
Not
somebody
only that,
show up.
it was just like, I'm hosting my first car meet. And it was just like, damn, I did it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody reposting it.
Yep.
That made me feel good. And so I ain't even gonna lie, I took a nap around 3 o'clock. Woke up about 4:30.
Hey, woke me up.
It was time to get it, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the love and support.
Here's the next question I got for you. Looking at your turnout, is there anything you want to add to the next meeting?
Yes. Light.
Let there be lights.
First of all,
Let there be lights.
I want to get a bigger parking lot though than this. You know, just helping family right here. So you know what I'm saying, this was a good spot back here to go. Brain freeze. And it's cool. You know, I just feel like it was the coolest spot where we could park and chill. Also watch the fight.
Oh yeah, I got Deontay Wilder losing. I'm putting that on camera now. I got him losing. I'm sorry, but I got him losing. That's another story.
Yeah.
All right, next question. For your next meet, what would be a theme if you were to do a theme for it? Because I'm just saying, Deceptitron is right here. That's the first thing I saw when I hit the screen. So, you said light. So why not just light the light? This is have a light show for the next week.
I do want to do that.
Pull up with lights on.
But if I want to do, man, you know what I'm saying? If I do like a theme meet, you know, it might be Iron Man though. You know?
Oh, there he go with that shit. Shout out Reach, man. Iron Uber. Shout out Iron Uber.
707.
Yeah, Stark 707.
I ain't even gonna lie. Stark 707. Hey.
Stark 707, man. Iron Uber, man. Shout out to him. That thing.
Yes, sir.
That thing, man.
That thing
But
nasty,
if I
man.
did, it would be an Iron Man, man. I'll come in here, Iron Man, everything.
Why you gotta do Iron Man? Why can't you say the Avengers?
Yeah.
Iron Man. You know,
I'm more of a DC, man.
Oh, you more of a DC. That's okay. That's okay.
Who you like, Batman?
I like Batman, Superman, you know what I'm saying? Spider-Man.
That's
I'm
old DC.
Apocalypse.
That's old DC.
I like Apocalypse.
I
Apocalypse. is
Black
jumping out.
Panther.
That's me.
Black Panther.
That's Marvel.
Oh.
That's Marvel, Black Panther.
Now, you got that camera. You got this camera.
Okay, I got 2 of them.
This is Back to the Money.
I'm focused, man. Tell stop to holler at me.
Thank who you need to thank, man. Thank who you need to thank.
Man.
Give out your thanks, bro.
Thanks to the fam, Ramsey, Zay, Mopar Marcus, ZR Productions, my boy Mo back there on the grill, for real. Shout out to my brother who came. Shout out to my brother Rod. Shout out to Ken. Man, ModFx, Rod, the other Rod, the little Rod. It's, man, my boy E.
He got so many names he gonna have to put at the bottom of this thing.
Right.
If I forgot you, bro, come on, bro. Come on. Bro. If y'all don't know, man, this is my brother right here.
he had the Ram like way back when I did a video with his hood.
The hood, yeah.
So
the man Tesla was driving himself, and I thought I was hot.
It was committing suicide.
It was
trying to kill himself. It wasn't gonna be a trying to get returned.
Yeah.
That's why I don't drive Tesla. I gotta have a gas car.
Bitch, I go back to the dealership.
But a lot of people, I think, my brother's not even into cars. You know what I'm saying?
At all.
And he pulled up, so that was like a big plus for me. You know what I'm saying? Because we talk every day, but you know, me just throwing the event.
That's your stunt double.
No shit.
That's the
No
one.
shit.
That's
I
the one
just
who
came
be
out
driving
to
crazy.
somebody wanted to smoke, but I see ain't nobody.
Look, I see Jay about to get some smoke right there, man.
I'm gonna go ahead and just park it.
But check it out. On behalf of Kings and Queens Mopar Houston, Misfit Mafia, Back to the Money, Zay TRD, Stunt Double right here. We appreciate everybody, man. When car clubs can come together to support each other,
sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
We can have this kind of fun,
all what it
man.
is.
Just show love. We can all, if we all work together, we'll all live a lot better, man.
Hey.
Mofo Marcus, I'm out.
Our productions in the building.
Jay out right there in the
Trying
building,
to get
man.
interviews, man.
Oh God, I done gave my
Look,
first
lost
5
his
of them
voice.
bitches. A nigga traumatized. I ain't
Hey,
got no shoes on.
If y'all don't know
I'm
who
about
this
to go
man
home.
is, Google.
Hey, y'all see
on
Vader back there?
YouTube.
Y'all see
Hazel
Vader?
on YouTube, and you will find
It's,
this man.
it's too many names, brother. I done had too
Google
many.
Hazel, and you will learn the
You
history
just
of
gotta
J.I.
listen to J.I.
Productions.
That's it.
Hey, but this is my nigga right here.
I'm good.
We talk every day.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We make sure we both straight, you know what I'm saying? And on some real shit, bro, if me and this nigga have a problem with each other, we come to each other. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, it should be.
I've been rocking with my brother since
Bumble? Shit, but I don't know, man.
Probably longer than that.
Just like fucking with me before I even.
Yeah,
we
I
met
watched it when you had Hazel. Like,
Yeah, say
but,
it
hey,
again.
yeah, when he had it
again.
Look, let me go here. We wind it. Hazel. I didn't even know.
twist the first.
I didn't even know Jay.
Man, I saw the first mod. I saw the muffler, man. The muffler.
Hey, that's what shot him up there. That's what shot him up there. That's what shot him up there. But shout out to my boy, man. We've been rocking for a minute.
Real shit.
My nigga get money, I get money, so it's back to the money.
No cap.
So-
You feel me? The rest of the game. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications for the game, man. For real. Just real quick, you know, I don't talk too much, but when I do, you understand what the fuck I said. So
You did.
to it real quick. I know how hard this shit is. You feel me? Goddamn niggas got the cameras out. Hold on.
This boy here's like, nigga got the cameras out. Hold on. But nah, man.
Hey, this be a one. Oh.
It's all love out
Funny
here.
video, man. I don't know what's going on right now. It's too funny. It's more Zay TRD, man. Mr. Ooh, in the building, man.
In the building with the motherfucking Brian Stark in Jersey, yo. You motherfuckers better respect that.
Yeah, weapon next, man. Weapon next.
How you doing?
How you doing?
YouTube? Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
on YouTube. Yeah, come
Yeah,
on.
what you doing? What you
My
doing?
YouTube channel is Flawless K.
Okay.
Okay.
Follow this Clay. Y'all make sure y'all go follow her on YouTube.
Flawless K. Period. Y'all heard of Flawless K.
Well, YouTube, I'm gonna follow him now.
Hey.
What kind of video we doing?
We're just regular vlog right now. We're just a regular vlog. Regular vlog. Oh man. But anyway, man, the boy Zay TRD, man. They got my boy J.I. Productions right here, man. Anyway, man, you checking out this video. We lit. Anyway.
Hey man, yeah, make sure you subscribe to my boy. Hit the like button right now. Turn on the post notifications. No cap. Double comment in the comment section for my gang.
Yes, sir.
But she asked me like work here, though.
Say TRD. We gotta get lit, no cap.
Facts. Anyway, man, let's go.
I'm gonna keep that over here.
Out the building. About hit that thing.